Hello my darklings, it's me, Cherri. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be unboxing the August edition of the Fortune Cookie Soap Box monthly subscription. The theme is Princess Bride, so I thought I'd give you a little medieval moment with my wardrobe. But yes, I am really excited about this, and so let's just jump right into it. I'm going to crack this boy open, not slice myself open, and let's get started. All right, this is the As You Wish August box. Extended collection will be launched August 28th at 6 p.m. Central Time, so that's exciting. There are 6 items in this box, so hooray. The sticker that came along with it says, "This is true love. You think this happens every day?" Super cute. Love it. Love the movie. Very excited about this box. Okay. Whew. Let's see. Let's start from the tippy top. We have the Mostly Dead OCD Hand Sanitizer. And it says, "Feeling dead to the world? Don't worry. Miracle Max has seen worse, and it just so happens that you're feeling only mostly dead. Golden honey drizzled over toasted almonds and pumpkin puree warmed with amber is just the aromatic miracle you're looking for. Think it will work? It'll take a miracle." All right, so this came in a different kind of bottle. I'm guessing, from what I understand from a lot of indie brands that I buy from, supplies are thin. So I'm going to rub it on my arm just to see what it smells like. And ruin the rest of my hands because I'm rubbing it all over them. Oh, fucking wow. Okay, so beautiful gourmand notes here. Smells like you get the honey, you get the almonds, you get the pumpkin, just the slightest hint of amber. It's not overpowering. Here, it's sniffing my fingers. But it's lovely. I really like that. And I love getting hand sanitizer in the boxes because, hello, I'm actually starting to go through mine. So, yes, very much enjoy that. Very much like that. Mostly Dead gets a thumbs up from me. Inconceivable Perfume Oil. Here we have it. And it says, "What could be more conceivable than fall woods, black amber, and poached pears topped with whipped vanilla cream? It will have you shouting, 'Inconceivable!'" So let's see what we're working with. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my. Oh, that's quite nice. Okay, so immediately off the bat, I get that pear brightness mixed with, I think it's the vanilla cream. It's very it blends together so beautifully. You don't really get, besides, I can tell there's a pear note in here. But other than that, everything sort of blends together really nicely. It's a perfect fall scent in my opinion, but not like a typical fall scent. It's very warm and comforting without being like a baked good. Do you know what I mean? A lot of those scents are typically like baked goods or fire or, leaves or something like that. This is just very sweet and soft and just this melange of warmth. So I really like that. Inconceivable. Very good. Next up, Drop Your Sword Scent Diffuser. These are super cool. You can hang them from the rear view mirror of your car. You can stick them in well, I probably wouldn't stick them anywhere, but you can set them up and just like have them out to diffuse into your house. It's kind of up to you how you use them. Closets, things like that, no big shakes. You can use them wherever you want. I use mine mostly in the car. So it says, to the pain! Well, maybe not the pain, but at least you can rejuvenate your senses and challenge your adversaries with this aromatic blend of medieval honey apple mead. Ooh, I love mead. To be honest, I don't think I've ever met anyone that's tried mead that's been like, I'm not really a fan of mead. So that's saying something. Okay, I can't smell it through the thing, so I'm gonna have to take this is dangerous business here, folks. It always comes with a little plastic top, so you have to before you use it, you have to very carefully remove that plastic top without spilling it everywhere. Or on yourself, or, whatever. I'm like, maybe I can smell it without taking the top off? Honey, no. Okay. I can smell it though already, and I do really like it. Ugh, my nails are just insufficient for this, clearly. I don't have anything right here. Oh, here it comes. There it is. Ooh. Okay, so kind of the dangerous thing about any sort of alcohol scent that has like a brandy note or a whiskey note, like it's gotta be like balanced so that it doesn't overpower anything else. This, however, is super nice. I'm actually gonna I'm gonna put this in my office because I really like that. Yes I do. So I'm just going to take this portion of it off. I'm going to put the cap back on, and then all you do is you just tip it so the oil soaks the wood top. It's super simple. Drop your sword. Drop your sword. Love it, love it, love it. Marriage whipped cream. This is the next item on the list, and it says marriage is what brings us together today. A perfect marriage of rich pound cake scented with cardamom, pistachio, and rosewater, topped with creamy buttercream. That is. Okay, so I have tried other things with a cardamom note in them, and it has not gone well. Something about it did not mix with my skin, so I'm taking the tiniest little bit here, and I'm gonna rub it on my arm and hope for the best. Okay, yeah, so cardamom on my skin turns to soap. So unfortunately, marriage is not for me in more ways than one. But yeah, that cardamom just turns to soap on my skin, and it makes me sad because this sounds so delightful with the, I can't even smell the pistachio. I can't even smell the buttercream. It's just soap. It smells like a vanilla soap. And that is no fault of Fortune Cookie Soap Company at all. That is my skin's fault. So please do not take this as any sort of disowning for this scent. It's just something I've learned, unfortunately, about my skin. Oh God, I really wish this worked for me, but marriage, unfortunately, will not work for me. Pit of Despair Shower Steamer. That's this little hunk of happiness. I've never used one of these before. But you just kind of put it on the floor of the shower, and then you just let it dissolve into aromatherapy. Cool. Pit of Despair. You won't want to be rescued from this enticing blend of patchouli, fresh-cut lemongrass, and tropical plumeria. I see lemongrass and I go, yes, I will. Yes, I will want to be rescued. But we'll see. It smells nice. I don't get a heavy lemongrass scent from it. It's kind of bright, and I think that's mostly the plumeria mixed with the lemongrass just makes it sort of a bright scent. But, I mean, I don't like it enough that I don't like it enough that I would buy it in anything else. So, Pit of Despair is a Pit of Despair for me, unfortunately. But, I mean, if you like a bright floral cut with like just a tinge of patchouli, you would probably like this. And then, last but not least, is our fortune cookie soap. And this is in the scent Prepare to Die. Prepare to Die. Hello, little germies. My name is Hand Soap. Prepare to Die. A warm blend of fresh baked cookie dough spiced with clove and saffron that'll clean all 5 or 6 of your fingers. Noisy. Oh, cute. Oh, this is cute. I love what they do with these. Look at how cute that is. Oh my gosh. So it's dripped blood, and it's punctured with your own little sword. So that is really cute. Okay, so I'm not a big fan of this, actually. That kind of makes me sad, but I mean, these make great guest soaps, so I'm not like heartbroken about it. But yeah, it's just very, I mean, I get baked good. That's basically what I get out of it. I'm not getting the clove. I'm not getting the saffron. I'm just getting baked good. So, not my cup of tea, personally. The design is absolutely adorable. I highly, highly approve of this. This is super cute. But the scent, yeah, the scent is definitely not for me. So, sorry, Prepare to Die. I will not be. Let's see. I think, oh man, I don't know. The 3 scents that I'm debating are Mostly Dead, Inconceivable, and Drop Your Sword. I really like, I'm going to put a little bit more of Inconceivable on. I really like Inconceivable's like just warm melange thing that they've got going on. Because that's so like, and this, I mean, that could even be like a winter scent. This is a cold month scent, I will say that. So fall, winter, anytime that you want a little warmth, but like with that pear note, it gives you a little bit of like, but hope is not lost. You know, it's just sort of ridiculous. But I mean, they pair together nicely. Anyways, so I like that a lot, but golly, Drop Your Sword is like probably the brightest, prettiest apple I've ever smelled. I guess that mix of honey and the mead just like help punch it up a little bit. I like apple scents that aren't just like, it's an apple. Like, okay, yeah, I've smelled an apple like 4,000 times. Could you give me something a little different, please? I really like that. And then Mostly Dead, man. Ooh, that is nice. That is like, I mean, it really smells like you have that pastry in your hand. So you've got the pastry with honey and almonds and pumpkin, and then like you're wearing an amber perfume, so you like just get that, just like sneaks under everything. Oh man. All right, I have decided my favorite item from this box is the Drop Your Sword scent diffuser. This is a great apple scent. It's bright and is like the perfect transition from summer to fall, I think. This is going in my office tonight, and I'm so excited because it's going to make it smell so delightful. And yes, close runners-up were the Inconceivable Perfume Oil and the Mostly Dead OCD Hand Sanitizer. This is a great scent, but when it comes to gourmand scents, I do have some concerns sometimes, like they make me hungry, but I'm not hungry. So that's a sign that it's a really good gourmand scent, but it's also a sign that I'd avoid it if I'm, not hungry. And then Inconceivable is a beautiful, warm scent that's perfect for cold months. So this will be in my rotation for fall and winter for sure. But it couldn't beat out that beautiful apple in Drop Your Sword. So let me know what you thought. I really enjoy doing these because I really enjoy these boxes. And I would love to hear what you think down in the comments below. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Don't forget to tap the bell so you receive notifications when I post. And please stay spooky. I'll see you next time.